Welcome to another training video for the B2B on the Trekkie Monda. I'm going to try and get the gauges working on the GoPro. Trying out a new feature of the GoPro Hero5 Black. I've turned GPS on, which will give me gauges for speed and other information. I haven't used this before, so I've got to use the GoPro Quick software to import the video, and then I'll put the gauges on the screen. So it'll be quite interesting. I'll try it out. Got this annoying front end rattle, and I've tightened the valve stem screw. So it must be something else. Just hear something rattling. Not sure what that is. More when there's bumps. Almost up to the highway now. Just do a U-turn. Today's snacks are some dried apricots and some dry crackers. Bit cracked, but doesn't matter. Well, that's the end of that break. I better get back on the road again. I'm much more comfortable being out of the saddle, doing the last bit of a hill climb, get a bit of extra power. Bit of a shout out, this is the Glanmire Kennels here in Glanmire near Bathurst, New South Wales. Each animal looked after, dog or cat or whatever. It's a good place. So definitely getting more comfortable on the Trekkie Monda. Now I can't pedal, but I can have a sip. Put it back, then continue pedaling. So I can ride one-handed a bit more easily now. So just getting more comfortable, which is good. Nice friendly cows just there. I'll try for another descent now with the gauges on. Down in the bottom hoops now. I'm a bit more comfortable here now. Initially I was scared to be down the hoops. Now it's a lot easier. More aero this way, less wind drag. Powering up to 35 k's an hour. Try and keep that momentum up for the next hill. Up in the tops here for climbing. General purpose ridings in the hoods here, got good brake control and gear control. A bit more upright on the tops here, so there's more weight in the back wheel. Better for climbing. Just spinning it up the hill. Down to 12 k's an hour. Try and just get off the saddle for the last bit more power. So I'm not sure how long it takes the GPS to kick in and start recording the speed. I'll find out when I look at the footage. Traffic today, which is good. Still with school holidays in January. See if I can get to 40 k's an hour. Come on, ecopenny, push it. Come on, put some effort into it. Push it. Come on, 37. Come on. I want to see 40. Just hitting the 40 on the speed on the bike.